Hello, wise people. Do you want to learn how to mirror your mobile on your PC, or as the IT folks say, cast your mobile screen on your PC? Look here, this is my mobile, and I can control it using the mouse. So I'm swiping left and right, and I can access my social media, go to the Instagram, play games. Everything will be reflected on my PC monitor. And I also can control it from here on my mobile. You can see now I'm moving it from my mobile and it's reflecting on my PC screen. If you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned with me and I will show you 3 methods to achieve this. Now, the first method is to use a built-in option in your mobile. My mobile is a Samsung, so I know it works on Samsung devices. But those of you with iPhone or other Android brands maybe can tell us in the comments whether this method works for them or not. I'm assuming they must have similar options in their setup. So basically, what you need to do is to go to your mobile settings and find an option that says link to Windows. Click on it, and it will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. And here you select your Microsoft account to connect. And yeah, just you need to enter the password and let's see this. So it's connecting now the device to my account. It might take a little bit time. So all is set. Okay, it says all is set. So we just press done. You need to add your computer here. So what you need to do now is to go to your browser and you will go to this website, www.kkA.ms/link on QR. Will basically will give you this message, open phone link, and will give you a QR. Now you go back to your mobile and you have this message. Is the QR code on your PC ready? You say yes, continue. And now you can just scan it. And this will simply link it. And yes, ask you, help us improve linked Windows to by sending usage data. And whether you want to do that or not, it's up to you. And that's done. Now your device and mobile are linked. You go back to your PC and you start. And from the menu here, you can send SMS messages, or you can check the photos you have. You can check the apps you have, and you can access these apps. For example, let's access this game. Now you will get some messages on your mobile here. You just need to confirm so that you can link any game you have. Yeah. And you can play the game which is on your mobile on your PC, like this. Yeah, and also you can make phone calls. You were not able to connect your mobile device on both your PC and mobile device. Try toggling Bluetooth off and on again. After this, click try again. Let's try to do that. We will go to the Bluetooth and we will link to our desktop, as you can see here on the screen. Now we can make phone calls and by using our PC. So this is the first method, but as you can see, it doesn't mirror basically your mobile to your PC. It will allow you to control various features, like messages, photos, calls, and ads, but it doesn't exactly mirror your mobile. And that's what we're going to see in the next methods, which is mirroring your mobile onto your monitor screen. So see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you wise guys in the next video. Take care.